Hi friends, and welcome to another video on simple present tense. Now in this video, I'm going to tell you when we use the simple present tense. And this, friends, is perhaps the most common tense used in the English language. Most of our conversation happens in the simple present tense. So let's read the following paragraph about Mahesh. Mahesh sings songs at wedding ceremonies. He also sings songs during festivals. The audience listens to his songs. They clap for Mahesh. They enjoy the songs. Now, let's understand something about the following, about this sentence. Now, did Mahesh play in the past? No. Will he play only in the future? No. Does this happen once or many times? It happens many times because Mahesh plays at wedding ceremonies. Is it a routine during celebrations? Yes. So there are two things which are coming out where the answer you're getting is a yes, that it happens once or many times, and it is something which is routine, something which is regular. Let's move forward. So when do we use a simple present tense? The first situation in which we use it, it talks about actions in the present time. It talks about routines, habits and facts. Let's look at some examples. I walk for 10 kilometers every day. Balaji drives a taxi. She works with Infosys. They go to the temple every day. Now these are all actions which are happening in the present time, and they are all about routines, habits and facts. They are happening on a daily basis. Let's move on. It is also used to talk about future events in a timetable or program of events. For example, the test is on Monday morning. The train leaves at 7 p.m. We leave for Europe tomorrow. So these are all events which are going to happen in the future as per a timetable or a program. Let's go ahead. It is also used to express likes, dislikes, talent, abilities and opinions, feelings. Let's look at some example. Mayur likes pizza. John hates flying. This is an example of like and a dislike. Mr. Khan can act really well. He can lift 30 kgs. This sentence is an example of talent and ability. I think the Modi government is doing a good job. I feel odd in this dress. This is about opinion and feelings. So let's move on. We've done this. Let's move on. So the formula for the simple present tense is subject plus verb in the S or ES form plus object. Now the S or ES will depend upon the verb which is out here. So I've made a small chart out here. I go to the temple every Thursday. With I it will be go. You go to the temple every Thursday. We go to the temple every Thursday. They go to the temple every Thursday. With I, you, we and they it will be go. But here it changes. He or she goes to the temple every Thursday. Mohan goes to the temple every Thursday. The group, now we are talking of an object out here. With the and it, we have to talk about an object. We can't talk about a human subject. The group goes to the temple every Thursday. So friends, this is what the simple present tense is all about. The formula is subject plus we plus in the S or ES form plus object. So this is all in this video. In the next video, in this module, we will do the exercises on the simple present tense with other verbs. So I'll see you in that video.